Live from Cape Coral, Florida. Hello! Welcome to another episode of A Few Minutes with Marvin. I inspire those who aspire to make positive changes in their lives. And yes, I am out here in the Fort Myers area of Florida. And yes, this is Hurricane Ian. I just thought, you know what? How often do I get a chance? I was in Superstorm Sandy, so I was out in Superstorm Sandy. Just a quick video to let everybody out there know that, I am in the storm, Hurricane Ian. Here's what the mainstream narrative is. They're telling you shelter in place, and I understand, be safe, obviously. But the way they're projecting it to everybody is like, it's so dangerous. But I was out there. Here's the video. We're about in the eye. And yes, it's windy. Yes, it's dangerous. So obviously stay inside. But for them to project so much fear, I just don't consent with that. And I just thought I'd share it with you, because if you are in fear about family members or anybody here in Florida, from my perspective, there's nothing to worry about. I have put out protection, right? As a spiritual being, we can create our own force fields of protection. And I sent some healing and alchemization to this storm. So the damage will be minimal. There's a reason for it. If we ever figure out what that reason is, it'll come to us. But was it man-made? You never know. And this isn't a conspiracy video. It's just giving you a little clarity on what's actually happening versus what is being reported on that television, which I didn't put on, by the way. You know me, I would never watch this stuff, but I don't consent to whatever it's projecting onto me anyway. So just stay safe if you're in Florida and in the eye of this hurricane, as I am. There's nothing to fear. There really isn't. Just stay safe. Use your common sense. You know what to do. And have an amazing day.
Let's take it real slow.